Hi there, I'm back again. This is Faja Alameen. This recording is for the experiment of quantitative ion testing. I've got my lab already set up and getting ready to do an experiment that's going to allow us to see the actual difference of quantitative analyzation, which is a branch of chemistry with the identification of chemical substance. In this particular experiment, we have gotten our actual chemicals already laid out. We've got our tools over here, which is, it calls for 3 test tubes, and it calls for the short little pipelets, which we have them in here. It calls for us also to take the chemicals of aqua ammonia, which we have that right here, aqua ammonia. We have the bromide right here. We have the hydric acid right here. We have the bromide, which is basically another form. We have the carbonate, which is the Na2CO. And I should go back and just actually announce the actual proper name, which is NAB, which is the bromide. NABR, the nitrate, which is HNO3. We have right here. We also have the bromide chloride, which is the BaCl2. We have the aqua ammonia, which is the NH4OH. We have phosphate right here, which is the Na2PO4. We have the sulfide, which is the Na2S. Okay, and then on this side over here, we have the chloride, which is the NaCl. We also have the iodine, which is the NaL. We have the sulfate, which is the Na2SO4. And we have, last but not least, on this particular section, we have the ammonia molybdate, which is the NH4, 6MO2O24. That's a lots of numbers. Okay, then out here you have your unknown, which is unspecified, and basically this experiment will have you to drop some of this in some of the actual tubes. And this is your organic reagent. And we have here the hydrochloride. And we have also in our discussion talking about the actual precipitation of these particular reactions is what we're looking for. There's about 3 different groups of ions that we're going to test. And one of the ions will not precipitate in actual coordinates with the silver nitrate, which is right here. And basically this silver nitrate, basically your result after using this will be that it will not dissolve, okay, upon the acidification with the nitro acid. Okay, the third group is the actual test tube will precipitate. And basically this would be the reaction of the presence of the silver nitrate, and the results of the precipitation will be also recorded. On our little section here, I think that for the most part, I have my little magnifying glass. As I said before, I have problems with actually seeing very well, so I will be using this. And doing all of the actual tests, I will be timing the actual test so that I can make sure that I actually give it enough time to do the reaction. And most of all, I should get a better understanding of how quantitative ion testing could be. So let me go ahead and get started, and I'll talk to you guys later.